Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Ctronics all metal 4K security camera for outdoor use. AI operated, vehicle, animal, human detection, auto tracking, and it works with your 2.4 and or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. You can use it on your personal computer or your phone as a remote. 256 GB SD card support, micro SD card. It is cloud service possible, FTP possible, NAS network attachment system possible, 24/7 surveillance camera, and color night vision, or the old school night vision mode is possible too. It's corded electric device here. It's also on the market with solar system. Equipped with the advanced Sony IMX415 sensor, this camera delivers 8 million pixels and a 4K ultra high definition resolution with 3840 to 2160 pixels. This innovative full color night vision technology captures vivid images even in total darkness, ensuring crystal clear, true to life visuals. It's perfect for home surveillance or commercial use. Ctronics 4K camera ensures we never miss a detail. Utilize cutting-edge AI technology for breath detection and tracking of people, vehicles, and pets. With the integrated sound and light alarms, this system effectively deters potential threats, providing smarter, more reliable security for a home or critical areas. Moreover, the preset position feature allows us to set and save specific viewing angles for effortless access. With just a single click, we can instantly switch between these presets positions. And it supports a 2.4G or a 5G dual-band Wi-Fi for faster, more stable connections. Monitor real-time surveillance footage through our smartphone or computer from anywhere. No matter where we are, we stay connected and keep our home or workplace secure with ease. And unlike competitors with a partial metal construction, this camera features a robust all-metal body for superior durability and heat dissipation. This ensures a reliable, efficient surveillance solution that outperforms the competition. Additionally, it offers flexible installation with both ceiling and wall mounting options. Easy adaptation to any environments. It's corded electric, so you need a power supply. We enjoy secure storage with support for up to 256 GB microSD cards and cloud storage too. It's compatible with FTP, NAS, and more. Our data remains safe and accessible anytime, anywhere. Ctronics transforms our security setup with cutting-edge features. Quad View Previous allows us to monitor up to 4 cameras at once, while group management simplifying organization. It supports over 36 cameras, ensuring comprehensive coverage, and family sharing offers an easy access for everyone who can enter into it, of course. Plus, customizable alarm sounds providing tailored security alerts, enhancing our peace of minds and, of course, our controls. Ctronics, sharper visions, safer world. It was founded in 2014. They are dedicated to providing a state-of-the-art security solutions that combine advanced technology with user-friendly design. Two, that we can clearly understand what we are concerned about anytime, anywhere, to safeguard our world with precision and reliability. And protecting our privacy and security is always the top priority of Ctronics. To date, they have served more than 2 million users from all over the world, including technology enthusiasts, busy parents, and professionals seeking first-class security and ultra-high-definition visions. 4K 8-megapixel Ultra HD PTZ tracking. Safeguard our home with the Ctronics 4K 8-megapixel Ultra PTZ Wi-Fi camera. Delivering ultra-high definition clarity, equipped with an intelligent detection for people, vehicles, and animals. It is auto-tracks movement to ensure nothing is missing. We see every detail in the 4K Ultra HD. This elevates our security with crystal clear image, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed, day or night, of course. Because 24/7, if we like. We have Starlight Night Vision with Starbase IMX 415 CMOS chips. And we have a aperture of 1.6, WDR 20% plus, and 30 night. Vivid images, even in total darkness, are possible. And AI vehicle, animal, and human detection. And, of course, not only detection, we can make auto tracking. This keeps every movement in focus. And on the go custom detection zones if we need them. And, of course, we stay connected anytime with a two-way audio function. We have color night vision, and we have dual action alarm if we like. Human detection, sound alarm, light alarm, amp notification. Everything is included. And seamless remote access across all our devices. HIP2P clients, or the Ctronics app, Android, Windows systems, iOS systems, no problem. Yeah, it can handle nearly everything. And we choose the method that best suits for our needs to secure and accessibility video backups with our microSD card up to 256 GB, or you use the cloud services or the FTP. And playback effortlessly, easy peasy. We can view multiple cameras, effortlessly group and manage multiple cameras with Ctronics apps. And exceptional all-metal design. The switching all-metal construction. This camera provides superior durability compared to those made with a half-metal or plastic. Its robust design ensures a reliable performance and a long-lasting range, thus making it ideal for any environment. And of course, the flexible setup makes this completed. We enjoy flexibility installation and every other parts which this Ctronics all-metal 4K security camera comes from and with. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.